Greetings, digital asset adventurers, and welcome to Crypto Curious. I'm Danny, and we've got Greg, the crypto detective, here to delve into the smart money concept, or SMC, especially now that Bitcoin has hit the 100K mark. Greg, how's the crypto landscape looking from your end?
Danny, it's like watching a high-stakes poker game with digital coins. Exciting, unpredictable, but with the right strategy, potentially lucrative.
Greg, break it down for us. What's the essence of SMC?
SMC is the idea that big players in crypto, think of hedge funds or those with deep pockets, are the ones really moving the market. They're not just trading, they're setting the stage. We're here to spot their strategies and follow the breadcrumbs they leave behind.
So, we're essentially looking for where these whales are swimming to catch the wave?
Exactly. But remember, these whales can change direction faster than you can say blockchain.
Let's get into the nitty-gritty of SMC terms. Start with order blocks.
An order block is like a secret meeting place for big buys or sells. Imagine a group of whales deciding to buy or sell a ton of Bitcoin at certain levels to avoid spooking the market. These zones show where significant accumulation or distribution happens.
And breaker blocks?
These are where the whales intentionally push through resistance or support to trigger stops from smaller traders, creating a false move to shake out the weak hands.
What about fair value gaps?
When Bitcoin jumps from one price to another, leaving a gap, that's your fair value gap. It's like a market inefficiency where price might return to fill that gap, providing a trading opportunity.
Let's continue with break of structure.
This is when Bitcoin sets a new high or low, breaking previous patterns. It signals a potential shift in the market's trend, like the market is breaking out of its old skin.
And change of character?
This one's tricky. It's when Bitcoin's behavior changes abruptly. Maybe the volatility spikes, or volume suddenly increases. It's like the market's personality flips, often hinting at an upcoming reversal or continuation.
Now let's talk about liquidity. What is it in SMC terms?
Liquidity in SMC refers to areas where there's a concentration of buy or sell orders. It's where the market can move smoothly because there's enough volume to support price changes. Think of it as the gas stations for price movement. Without enough liquidity, prices can't move efficiently.
And how does liquidity impact price movement?
High liquidity means price can move with less resistance, leading to smoother trends or rapid movements if big orders get executed. Low liquidity? That's when you see huge swings or slippage, because there aren't enough orders to absorb the volume. Big players often target these liquidity pools to initiate their moves, pushing the price in their desired direction.
Now, with Bitcoin at 100K, how do we apply SMC?
Look for those order blocks where Bitcoin might have been heavily bought before this surge. The recent jump to 100K likely left some fair value gaps, perfect for retracement trades. Watch for a break of structure if Bitcoin's ready to push higher or lower, and stay alert for any change of character, which could signal the next big move. Also, keep an eye on liquidity. If Bitcoin's moving into a high liquidity zone, expect a more significant and sustained movement.
So, we're playing a game of crypto cat and mouse with these big players?
Exactly. But remember, in crypto, the mouse can sometimes lead the cat.
By the way, is there any indicator you use to spot these order blocks?
Yeah, I use the Smart Money Concept Indicator by LuxAlgo on TradingView. It's a free tool that helps visualize where these order blocks might be.
Greg, can you give us some specifics on entry and exit points for trading Bitcoin at this new 100K level?
Absolutely. For an entry, if you identify a bullish order block around 97,000, which was a significant support before the surge, that could be a good entry point. Your stop loss might go just below at 96,000. For a target, if there's a fair value gap around 103,000, aim there first. If the market breaks structure above 105,000, that's your cue to consider adding to your position or moving your stop loss to break even. If you see a change of character with high volume, that could be your signal to take some profit or exit completely.
Thanks, Greg. That's some deep insight into SMC. Remember, folks, in the wild world of crypto, curiosity might not just kill the cat, it might make it rich. Stay curious, stay informed, and we'll see you next time on Crypto Curious. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep your crypto safe. Until next time, may your trades be ever in your favor.